Hi, I'm Karen. We're here at Montavilla Sewing Center, and today we're talking about the Baby Lock Allegro. In this video, I'm going to show you the accessories that come with your machine. First of all, I'm going to show you we have the knee lifter, and I show you in a different video how to use that. It's a really neat tool. Then we also have the instructional manual. Now this is really important to look through this and figure out how your machine works. You can also watch my videos, of course. And then we have the foot control, and there's also the power cord that go with your machine. Here we have our regular all-purpose foot. Now this is already on your machine, so you wouldn't find it in the accessory bag. It's already there. Then we have the decorative stitch foot. The neat thing about this is it has a channel right here on the back for those thick decorative stitches to help them flow through. It's also an open toe foot, which is great for making sure you see exactly where your needle's going. Here we have the blind hem foot, and it's adjustable right here depending on the thickness of your fabric. It's also a good one to use when you are sewing top stitching on the edge of like a collar or cuffs. Here we have the overcasting foot right here. Great for quilters. This is your 1/4 inch piecing foot right there, and it's also got 3/8 inch and 1/8 inch marks on it too. This is your free motion foot right there. This is your zipper foot, and you can also use this for putting on that thin piping. It sews right next to the piping. Great little tool. This is your button sewing foot. These little toes hold onto the button as you're sewing it on. The manual explains that. This is your buttonhole sewing foot. So it's a really nice one-step buttonhole in different varieties of buttonholes. This is your straight stitch foot, and you would use it along with your straight stitch needle plate. This is for fabric that tends to want to move around a lot and maybe get poked down into the needle hole, like some really thin knits tend to get that. So when you have this on, your machine will read it and only allow you to do a straight stitch. Here we have the quilting bar, or it's a guide bar for sewing parallel lines of stitching. Your cleaning brush, which is also a seam ripper, right there. And when you use this, make sure that you have the cover on here because it won't roll away. So it's a 2-in-1 tool. Here we have a set of needles. And this has 3 needles of the 14 size and 2 of the 11 size, which are a finer needle. And you have 4 bobbins that come with your machine. 1 of the bobbins may already be in your machine. Then we have screwdrivers. This is for taking off the needle plate. And we have a couple other screwdrivers. Notice these have wings on the side, which make it easier to turn them. We have a large spool cap, and this is for your larger spools to keep them on the spool pin as you're sewing. Have a smaller spool cap, and that's for your smaller diameter spools. Then we have auxiliary spool, and this fits right on the bobbin winder spindle. This felt goes right here because since this is an upright spool pin, when you stop sewing, you don't want your spool to continue to spin, so this acts like a little brake. That's what that felt is for. And those were the accessories that come with your machine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give us a thumbs up. If you have comments or questions, you can leave those in the area down below. We have lots of other videos on this machine and on other machines here on our Montavilla YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.